Today we're making beer cocktails, and the key ingredient is a 60-year-old bottle of whiskey. There's no barcode on it, and it's still sealed. Beer cocktails are on the rise, and I've seen a lot of places around town try to get some trends going. We got all the barrages over today, so let's have some good old-fashioned fun. I got this bottle from my grandpa Paul, who I never met. He died the year I was born, and I've been saving this bottle for years, but tonight's the night, so don't you go anywhere. But I did know a couple things about my Gramps. He was super rich and super Jewish. Imagine that!
A-Ron.
You guys ready for it?
Yeah.
It's gonna open up. It's gonna be like some Genie, Robin Williams pop out.
That's not how it works. What are you doing?
What?
You don't know how to open it?
What are we doing?
Special.
Twist it, right?
We're going in the face.
It's definitely a twist off.
Oh. It smells good.
Yeah.
65 years later.
It smells like caramel and sherry.
Does it smell like the first time?
The first time.
Yeah, it kind of smells like candy.
It smells like when my grandma got her driver's license in 1958.
A little bit of dust remnants on it still.
It's a very light color. For oh, I guess it's not that light. It smells like when I turned 16 years old.
It smells great, man. How is it? Smooth. Is it?
It's actually really yummy.
Damn, that's good. How much is it going for on eBay?
$200.
Damn, we fucked up, man. You guys weren't worth that, man. I should have flipped it.
And you're paying us for this shit.
We broke the seal.
And your fans.
You want to help me move out to Knoxville?
That is nice.
It's good, right?
Mm-hmm. That's really mellow.
Fill it up.
Canadian Club. Well,
What do you guys say? You guys want to make some beer cocktails?
Sir.
Let's do it. We're rolling? All right, we're gonna make the Brass Monkey right now, and if you have even one speck of pubic hair, you're gonna know what this one is. All right, so you could use any light beer for this. The lighter the beer, the cheaper the beer, the better. But we were gonna use Pacifico, but today we're showing love to our buddy Trevor's brewery from South Though Brewing called St. Malo's Czech Pilsner. So what you wanna do is take your beer and you wanna pour it into a glass just like that. And the name of the game is you just want a splash of orange juice. Less is more with that, just a little bit like that. The most important step of all is to drink it in one sip.
Boom, perfect timing.
That's how you make a Brass Monkey.
we're making a beer cocktail called a Boilermaker. So Boilermaker is a shot of whiskey dumped into a light beer. I'm going to be using a Pacifico, and the shot I'm going to use is a Canadian Club whiskey from 1958. That's how we do.
It was the year you were born.
So here's the shot of whiskey. Pacifico.
Whoa!
Did that go in the sink?
Yep.
I meant to do that. Alright.
That looks good. All right.
And then we just dump the shot in the beer and we chug it.
Monster Combo! Combo!
Sir.
That's good.
Hi, my name's Trevor. I'm the owner of South Though Brewing Company. I'm here today with my friend Goman, former professional skateboarder, professional chef, and professional sweet boy. Today we're going to be learning and pretty much pouring a Lagerita beer.
Go and take your shirt off. Go take your shirt off.
So a lager beer is essentially approximately 1 ounce of lime juice, approximately an ounce of tequila, and pour a Mexican style lager on top of it, drink and enjoy.
Okay, limes first. Nice.
Put the lime in the coconut.
Oh yeah. Do that lime.
I mean, if you do take your shirt off, Goman, this
That's
video
not
will get
happening,
like 10
Casey.
times. Okay.
There we go.
Do a little more.
Can you do just a little bit
Why
more?
not? Packing it.
Somebody fart?
No.
Probably.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yep, working.
All right, what's the next part?
Tequila, I believe.
Do it.
What,
You can
approximately
get-
1 ounce?
Yeah.
Just to get it in the code.
If it
Approximately
goes-
1 ounce of tequila.
Well, you can take the limes out.
That's good. That's good.
That's enough.
That's a lot.
That's a lot of alcohol. Good. There we go.
That looks
That shit looks
beautiful.
pretty good.
Yeah.
All right. Mandatory beer chug.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wop, wop, wop.
Show him your dick.
All right.
A Lagarita beer. Cheers.
Cheers.
How was it?
It's delicious.
Oh, fuck, you got it down like that?
Oh yeah.
Professional. Professional drinker.
Let me have it.
What do you guys think? How was it? We gotta get a cut on this. This camera's on fuse.
Yep. This is delicious. Beautiful. Highly recommend it.
This is actually really good.
That's how you make a Lagarita.
Okay, what we're doing right now is we're making an Irish sweet boy. This entails of 1 shot of whiskey, 1 ounce of lemon juice, and an IPA. And we just made it up right now. Because if you say anything enough times, it becomes a thing.
Feels like a
Alright, so Casey,
I'm making this drink. Everyone shut the fuck up. Just subscribe to the channel.
Casey,
Scratch
help
my
you
dick.
out, that's a 2-ounce ramekin.
Alright, so what we're doing is, first things first, we're gonna take our freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're gonna pour it into a glass. That's what that looks like. That's actually 1.5 ounces. That's a 2-ounce ramekin. Shout out to John Goman, he's a sweet boy back there. Take off your shirt. And then 1 ounce of whiskey, something like that. Just kind of eyeball it. Life's too short not to eyeball stuff. And then what we're gonna do is take our West Coast IPA. Shout out to Pizza Port. Local Barrage is right down the street. Oh, I see the smoke coming off it. And we're gonna pour it in your beer, or you're gonna pour it in your cocktail just like that. Maury's gonna salt the glass, and then what you're gonna want to do is it's good. That's really good. It's like a margarita and a shandy combined. Oh, that'll wake you up in the morning. Should we trademark it?
That's actually pretty nice.
It's not bad. It hides the whatever
Regret?
Yeah, it hides the shame.
All right, for our last and final drink is the Maury After Pill, aka the Plan C, aka the 1-800 Barrage. And what we're gonna do is pour ourselves a nice beer.
Have you ever done this before?
He's got a Pacifico over there. I've got a Vienna lager from South O Brewing. And we're gonna crack a fresh raw egg in it. Also a great idea if you just got back from the gym and you need a little calorie step up from what you just burned.
I'm actually kind of scared right now.
But here we go. You ready to crack an egg?
No, but we're gonna do it.
Crack yours first.
I gotta make room for that.
Oh, you're gonna get this? Get a shot at it. Hold on.
The good thing is there's a long way to get to that egg.
Maury's got moves though. He had the one hand.
Hold on.
crack.
You gonna cheers? Bottoms up. You ready? If you have to throw up, you go outside. I'll take the sip.
Yeah, it's delicious. I feel like I got my protein.
I feel like I just went to a Chinese food restaurant and had a day-old egg drop soup. Thank you for watching this week's Homebrew for Life video. I'm leaving in Knoxville in a couple weeks. This is one of the last videos we're going to shoot for a couple months, but we'll be back together.
Johnny Knoxville?
Yep.
Yeah.
Tennessee?
Thank you for watching this week's video. Cheers to eating good.
Cheers to drinking good.
Have a good night, fellas.
Take off your goddamn shirt, man.
Does that work? I don't fucking know. Only if you're
Bro.
What did you say you're gonna do?
That's a cut!
Let's cut. Good job.
Yeah!
Yeah, it's fucking, you guys chuck